Hey, can you leave my body, please? I was just wondering if you could leave now, just please. I said please. Okay, you're making me mad. I'm gonna hurt you if you don't leave. What do you mean? What do you mean you're gonna? What are you doing? What are you gonna? Okay, you can do a little harder than that. Come on.
Harder?
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit harder. Just a little bit harder.
Okay.
Okay. I will beat your ass! Oh, I got something special for you. This is gonna work big time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. I think they're going away. Oh, they're not. Sure, I gotta eat more. Okay, now I think they're going away. I'm not. What are you looking at? You want some?
Yeah.
No! Okay, I think they're gone now. Finally. Finally, they're gone. Damn! Man, I hate these hiccups, dude. Jesus! Oh my god! Really? You're still here? I mean, it scared me, but I guess it didn't scare you. I got it.
Oh my god! Jesus, your face! And your hair!
Oh, that really did scare me. I think it worked! It worked! No hiccups anymore! Yes! No hiccups anymore!
What if messages on this phone? I think he's sleeping. Oh my god. Yo, is he sleeping? Oh my god, he is. You know what? I'm surprised he didn't scare the hiccup's away when he looked here the first time. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta find this little cream. Where is it? What? What the hell?
What are you doing? You, kinda got yourself there.
Ah,
Trying to prank the prank king?
I'm sorry.
No.